Nagtitimpla si ate. Video kita. Naka-live si ate. Nagtitimpla siya ng coffee.
First, you must put water here. And then, you close it. And then, what's next? You put small cup or big cup? Lazen big cup.
Big cup.
Here.
Yeah,
And then, you open it. You take what you want. What kind of coffee you want? This one?
Demo mo ate.
This one or this one? And then you put sugar. And then you sugar that. As sweet as my love for you. For you. And then you put here. You put it there. Paano nilagay linte?
Tatagilid. Nakaharap sa'yo yung pinaka-open. Pang-open.
Then you put like this.
Then,
And then
small or big?
Small or big. Lazim, you must put you must press this one because your cup is big, sir. Right?
Right.
And then just wait from meanwhile 5 minutes. 35 years. 5 years. And then this one you must put sugar. Anong gusto mo? Matamis ka ba o?
May viewers ka na. 1 million viewers.
Then just wait.
And then,
After that, agoy, bawal ang kape. Tatay, baka yung viewers ko dyan, yung pagbabawal ng kape. I like it so much. Then, just wait. I smell it already. You want to see our fridge?
Tan!
We have Sprite. Alam mo yun? Nakatutok may mukha natin dyan.
Oo, parang makilala ka nga eh.
And then, finish. And then you mixed it. You mixed. Like, your coffee, my dear. This is for you. This is our fresh finished product. Mahirap talaga ng English, guys.
Layo nga tayo para makatagdili ate. Nasaan ka ba ate? Teka, tito mo. Nasaan ka ba?
Siyempre, andito tayo para mag-relax and mag-enjoy. So, this one?
Teka ate, mag-live ako sa YouTube.
And then,